Hello guys, what's going on? We today we want to learn how to remove background in just a second. And now you should select your photo and unlock the layer. Okay. Select the selection tools and select the layer and go to properties and down view more, and we have here the options. We will choose to remove background and look and apply. As you see here, we remove the background in just seconds. Now, if you like this video, don't forget like it and share it and subscribe in our channel. Here we just make simple video for Photoshop lovers.